Honorable Federal Ministers, Honorable Master Yuan Shaken, Honorable Madame Mao Xiaozhang, Honorable Ambassador Zhang Zedong, Honorable Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, members of Chinese delegation, Pakistani officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Master Yuan, on behalf of very warm-hearted people of Pakistan, I'd like to extend you a very warm welcome to Pakistan, which is most definitely your second home. And of course, your lady wife and niece of late Chairman Mao Zedong, and that makes this event a historic event. Late Chairman Mao has always been held by the people of Pakistan in very high esteem and enjoyed great respect from the people of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of Pakistan, and his great leadership played a decisive role to carve out Pakistan from the subcontinent through outstanding leadership and great sacrifices by the Muslims of the subcontinent. So, no wonder, Master Yuan, you have very wonderfully, artistically, you have captured the essence of these two iconic leaders. The historic bonds between Pakistan and China, forged over decades, is a testament to our shared values of mutual respect, trust, and cooperation. Master Yuan, our civilizations are thousands of years old, and during my recent visit to China in June this year, on the recommendation of our very respected President Xi Jinping, I went to Xi'an and had the opportunity to visit the Terracotta Warriors Museum, a symbol of China's glorious past and heritage. Similarly, Your Excellency, Pakistan proudly traces its history to the Indus Valley civilizations, whose relics are preserved in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-daro in the province of Sindh and Harappa in the province of Punjab. So, by these accounts, today's ceremony is very special and unique as we honor the vision and legacies of our founding fathers who held a common vision of independence, justice, equity, emancipation, and self-respect for the two nations. Both leaders recognized the immense potential of Pakistan-China relations, and today our all-weather strategic partnership is an anchor of regional stability and a beacon of hope for global peace and prosperity under these very challenging global circumstances. We are proud of our collaboration in various fields, from the China-Pakistan economic corridor to cultural exchanges, education, defense production, and on top of it, hundreds of Pakistani young students visiting Chinese universities and learning Mandarin language is a bridge between Beijing and Islamabad, and it is serving our friendship a great job. As I speak, the first batch of agriculture graduates is going to visit China and have education in the field of agriculture to attain modern techniques and expertise in agriculture to boost production of Pakistani agriculture next month, early next year, which is yet another step towards our economic cooperation. Your Excellency, after my very productive visit to China in June this year was followed by Premier Lee's visit to Islamabad in October, where we reaffirmed our common desire and our shared commitment for economic progress and prosperity, which we will enhance through joint efforts. Thank you, Master Yuan, once again for this treasured gift, which will forever symbolize the unbreakable, rather unshakable bond between Pakistan and China, and my heartfelt gratitude to you for this very thoughtful and unique ink and wash portrait of mine, which I will always cherish and I stand humbled. Master Yuan, I wish you, your lady wife and Madam, a very wonderful and enjoyable visit to Pakistan. Have a very comfortable stay, and this visit of yours will always be remembered for more than one reason and strengthen our friendship, which most definitely is higher than the highest mountains of the world. Pak Chin Dosti Zindabad.
मारूफ चीनी मुजस्समा साज मास्टर युआन की जानिब से पाकिस्तान के लिए कायद अज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना के मुजस्समों की नक़ाब कुशाई की तकरीब में वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने खिताब किया। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं पाकिस्तानी अवाम की जानिब से मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानों को खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। चीन के अवाम के लिए पाकिस्तान दूसरा घर है। पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान दहाइयों पर मुहित ताल्लुकात हैं। पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान ये ताल्लुकात देरीना है। आज हमारे लिए बहुत अहम और खुशी का दिन है। आलमी अमन और खुशहाली के लिए मिलकर काम कर सकते हैं। ये तकरीब आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने खिताब किया। ये तकरीब मारूफ चीनी मुजस्समा साज मास्टर युआन की जानिब से पाकिस्तान के लिए कायद अज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना के मुजस्समों की नक़ाब कुशाई की तकरीब मुनक़्क़िद की गई थी, जिसमें वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और उस वक्त के मास्टर युआन जो कि मारूफ चीनी मुजस्समा साज है मास्टर युआन, उन्होंने भी शिरकत की और उन्होंने भी खिताब किया। उन्होंने कहा कि CPEC के 10 साल मुकम्मल होने पर मुझे ये तोहफ़ा देने के साथ साथ मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है। सीनियर सूबाई